this video consists of different parts, so don't be confused. Hello guys, today I'm going to share with you Cryptorize payment proof and I'm going to withdraw live from Cryptorize. So it's look like this app, you know, and I had opened this here, and here you can see my points, my earnings. Only just click on that and just click claim, and here I am going to withdraw in Litecoin. So first we can see we will see it in USDC, and it is like $1.04, 1.04, and I am going to withdraw in Litecoin, so LTC. I just click on LTC. It takes time because it is connecting with market price LTC, you know. And here you can see I got 2,31,174 points is equal to 0.00828911 LTC. It is just 0.008 LTC, and it is going to in my Coinbase account. So simply click claim, and it is just saying that only claim in 3 days, so you cannot withdraw multiple times, only withdraw one withdraw in 3 days. So just simply click claim, and yes, you can see great, sent correctly, check your account and email. Okay, so okay, I will quit this and I will check the email for confirmation that I had received or not. You can see my email and Coinbase notification. We will open this, and it is like 7:06 p.m. You can check the time, and yes, boom, you can see there I have received 0.008 LTC, and it is just cost 1.0104 cent. So you can withdraw money, it is just paying, and it is paying just instantly. As you know guys, I have received email from Coinbase that you just received 0.008 Litecoin, you know, and it is cost 1.04 cent. And we will check in Coinbase app in order to confirm that we have received or not. Here you can see my LTC balance, LTC wallet, and yes, here you can see I have received, you know, I have received 0.008 LTC, and it is cost 1.04 in Coinbase account. So this is the payment proof, and these are three apps I will show you. Here you can see Cryptorize, CryptoWin, and CryptoFast, and other one is there Crypto Memo. It is still not connected with these three. You can earn points in these three connectively. So I just open Cryptorize, and I will show you how to earn the easy method you can use it. It is just really easy to earn points and to cash out these points. I just open Cryptorize. It had just open like that. Just wait to load, and you can see my points is 0 because I withdraw my points, and just simply click on the watch ad, and we need to watch the full ad. Hello. So I skip this part. Just you need to combine these, you know, 1 2 3 4 LTC, and yes, only combine 2 4 5, you know, just tap on it. Really simple, just tap. Until it has been ended, you know. And I will give you the referral code also, because without referral code you cannot even earn money, and I will give you the these three apps refer code also. Yes, you have earned 204 points. Click next. Okay, we have added 204 points, and I will give you the refer code, and you can use this refer code also when downloading it, and you can download it from Google Play Store. Cryptorize, remember this name, I hope that guys this video is helpful for you, and I will suggest you to play these games and earn free crypto rather than playing that games that are not paying at all, not a penny like PUBG, not paying at all. But these games are paying, and I will suggest you to play all of them and use a refer code, and I will give you the refer code and some of the apps link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we will meet soon next video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for future videos.